Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data, creating a visual hierarchy, or simply making your spreadsheet more readable, mastering cell colors is an essential skill that can transform how you present information. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace account, as this will give you access to all your spreadsheets and documents. Once you're logged in and viewing your workspace, you'll see all your available spreadsheets. Simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to change the cell color. This will open the document in full editing mode, allowing you to make all the modifications you need. Now, if you want to change the color of a specific cell, start by clicking directly on that cell to select it. Once it's selected, look toward the top toolbar where you'll see a bucket icon. This is your fill color tool. Click on it and a color palette will appear, giving you a range of options to choose from. Select the color that best suits your needs, and you'll instantly see the cell background change. That's the quickest way to change a single cell color and make it stand out in your spreadsheet. But there's another powerful feature you should know about called alternating colors. This is particularly useful when you're working with large data sets and want to improve readability. To use this, click the bucket icon again, and this time select alternating colors from the drop-down menu. This feature automatically applies color patterns to your rows or columns, making it much easier to track information across your spreadsheet. When you select alternating colors, a design tab will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you have complete control over the appearance. You can browse through the preset styles that Google Sheets offers, or if you prefer something more personalized, you can create a custom style by choosing your own color combinations. This flexibility allows you to match your spreadsheet's color scheme to your brand or personal preference. Take your time adjusting the colors until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Once you're happy with your selections, click the Done button at the bottom of the design panel. Your changes will be applied immediately, and you'll see your spreadsheet transform with the new color scheme. And there you have it, you've successfully changed cell colors in Google Sheets using both individual cell coloring and alternating color patterns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.